Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable LED light on your earbud SUUNTO Wing Open-Ear. So basically we have two options how to enable it, and let's get started with an application. Open it and now go to Profile. On Android devices it's located at the left top. Now go to My Headphones. And right here we have a LED light, so you can just click on this slider to turn on it, and as you can see we have it, or you can use a gesture. So just press and hold at the minus button on your right ear cup, so I press and hold on it, and as you can see I enable it. This application have trouble to show it in the real time, but if we reopen it we can see that we enable it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!